Hello, today we are going to look up a GoFundMe. So I'll just do GoFundMe. And this is a source of crowdfunding that can be used by the Tiki Hut Pool and Spa. Just go straight to their site. So it's the #1 most trusted free fundraising platform. This site really helps you ask others for money. GoFundMe has helped parents raise money so they could afford for their children to make it to sporting events, allow neighbors to raise money for the community disasters or state disasters. They work to support big and small causes because to them they all matter. And a few of their categories include education, medical charity, memorials, animals, and emergencies. If you go here, it's easy to donate. If you want to start a GoFundMe, you can click right up here. Start a GoFundMe. Give it a minute to load. So it's quick to just use my email and get started. We go back one. Let's go back to how it works. So they have a video here you can also watch. But the steps are simple. Create your fundraising campaign. There's no other way to really share your story. Kind of like using your elevator pitch, what we've been working on, and then use that to transcend into the fundraising campaign. It's easy to connect with Facebook, Twitter, and emails, and probably Instagram now with step 2, so you can hit all of your contacts in one brief minute. And they easily accept donations. And then you can watch the results and make changes and update your post and send thank you notes from the dashboard itself. The platform is free, or fee, 0%. So that just gives you an idea of what else they expect or what you would need to get going. And let's see. Let me click here so we can learn more about the fee. I know it says 0%. But when you start that's where when you start getting payment processor fees. So you're looking at, and this information you don't think to look here. So I'm glad that you can go back and watch this, go back and look to find this information so you can see where they're going to do a slight charge for the fee. So this is for U.S. personal and charity campaigns, charge 5% for the GoFundMe platform, plus 2.9%, and about 30 cents per donation, totaling about 7.9%, plus the 0.30% donation. So you have a donation, and then you have that on top of it. So you have to add those together. But, like it's got stated, these are about the difference, how they do. There are restrictions, and I'm looking to see if I can show you where those are to navigate this site. Let's see, common questions. Okay, is my country supported? So you can review and see a list of supported countries and see what is covered and what is not. So there are some restrictions if you're wanting to do this in certain areas. Another thing I think is interesting is how do I withdraw funds from my campaign? So once your GoFundMe starts, you can easily withdraw at any time, and it doesn't affect the progress meter displayed on your campaign. There's a withdrawal, and the bank transfer takes about 2 to 5 days to arrive. Learn how to start withdrawals. So you would add your bank account to it. When you create your account, then you can make your withdrawals. The first withdrawal will always be for your full available balance. All future donations will be sent to you automatically. So there's a lot of things that you can instantly do with setting this up and tie it straight to your bank account. It's also a very safe source to use. So it features the best secure payment encryption technology. Your donors' online payments are safe, and your money is stored securely until you're ready to request and withdraw via electronic bank transfer. I've had a couple of friends use this. I've seen several people use it on Facebook. So I see it work. And that's why I would like to use the GoFundMe to kind of, if anything, start a buzz on my organization and what the Tiki Hut is about. And then if they want to donate to the cause and see what we're doing and how we're trying to give back to the community, there's always people wanting to give back. But this is a little bit about GoFundMe. It takes a few minutes and you're ready to rock and roll. And that's what I love about it. I like stuff that's fast and easy to do. And it's got some good testimonials. So our family GoFundMe was safe and easy ways to raise money for my mother's funeral. They help the community. Most trusted platform. Wow. She will raise $30,000 to help fight against cancer. So it really helps give back to the community. Thank you.